Hello, I'm Janna Champagne, an autism mom and United Patients Group medical advisor and patient advocate, here to answer your burning questions about cannabis for autism. Today's question is, does CBD supplementation risk negatively impacting my child's brain development? The answer is no. CBD is proven safe for use across the lifespan and does not risk negative neurodevelopmental impact. It is theorized that there is potential negative neurodevelopmental impact in children and adolescents using THC, and this topic is still hotly debated in the research, with outcomes supporting both risk and outcomes debunking this risk theory. So stay tuned. Oftentimes, use of THC in childhood or adolescence is for conditions that are far more severe or life-threatening than neurodevelopmental risk, like cancer, thereby warranting any of these lesser risk factors. That said, CBD does not contain this risk factor, although other risks may be present, such as interactions with concurrent pharmaceuticals. So it is important to seek medical oversight and have any pharmaceuticals screened prior to starting CBD. United Patients Group supports use of Unity Formula's CBD, which is hemp CBD, federally legal in every state, for targeting autism in all its forms. And it also offers a coupon code UPG15 for a 15% discount off your Unity Formulas purchase at www.unityformulas.com. To learn more, please check out the links on this page, including my research-cited articles and videos explaining the science of cannabis for autism harm reduction. If you need more assistance, I also encourage you to click the Book a Consultation link and schedule a session with an autism-knowledgeable United Patients Group cannabis nurse. Be informed and be well.